So, in the previous video, we have just started the new chapter, that is chapter number 10, Habitat and Adaptation. So, first of all, what is habitat and what we have seen in the previous video, what is habitat? We all know we have some of the habits. Which habits? We have some habits. You know that you have some of the good habits and some of the bad habits. So, that habit which is to you, that is known as your habitat. In that way, there are many habitats. Here, the habitat of an animal or a plant is the area where it lives in nature. Means the animals and the plants have some of the habit to live in some of the areas that we have seen. And then after we have seen the forests. So there are various types of forests, that are tropical forest, temperate forest. Then after we have seen up to the tropical and the temperate forest. In the tropical forest, what is tropical forest? The tropical forests are found between the equator and the two tropics, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. There are several kinds of tropical forest. A type of this which receive maximum amount of the rainfall and is near the equator is called the tropical of forest. Tropical forests receive very heavy rainfall. They have a lot of hot and humid climate around the year. Very rich variety of the plants and animals are found in this forest. Orchids, vines, mosses and ferns are common plants found in the tropical rainforest. A large variety of animals such as bats, gorillas, monkeys, jaguars, sloths, macons, toucans, and a variety of insects are found in the rainforest. Most trees found are evergreen trees. Here, the tropical forest means the forest which are situated between the equator and the two tropics. Which here, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. In the between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, the forests are situated, are known as the tropical forests. And then after temperate forest. What are temperate forests? That is part of eastern Northern America, northern Eastern Asia and western and central Europe have temperate forests. Temperate forests again are of many kinds. We will discuss temperate deciduous forest. Here the forest is even through the year. These forests have well defined summer winter seasons. Most trees found here are deciduous in nature. Deciduous trees shed all the leaves once in a year in response to change the season. Leaves of the most trees are seen to change their color in the autumn season, and maple and oak are commonly found trees here. Foxes, bald eagle and black bears are found in this kind of the forest. And then after we have seen up to here, moving forward, here boreal forest, the third type, that is boreal forest. So what is boreal forest? Okay, let us see that boreal forests have very low temperature and heavy snowfall. Here, the forests which have here boreal forests are, see here, boreal forests have very low temperature, very low temperature, very low temperature and heavy snowfall. Okay, boreal forests have very low temperature and heavy snowfall. Okay, students, here these kinds of forests are found where? These kinds of forests are found in Northern parts of Canada and Russia have boreal forest. Means here, first of all, what are boreal forests? You can see boreal forests have very low temperature. Means they are very low temperature. Means this is of the northern Russia and northern Canada. Means upper side in the polar regions, nearby the polar regions, these kinds of the forests are there. Boreal forest, and where there is very low temperature and heavy snowfall. Okay, students. Here, next is they are found in the northern part of Canada and Russia, a boreal forest. Most trees found here are evergreen. These trees are evergreen. Then after pine, fir and spruce are common trees found here. Wolves, hare, mossy and chipmunks are found here. You can see the tree, fir tree and the wolf pictures are given. And then after coming towards the grasslands. So what is grasslands? Let us see. Grasslands. Okay. So what is grasslands? Grasslands are areas. Grasslands are areas. Grasslands are areas where a large variety of tall grasses grow. So, grasslands means grasslands are areas where a large variety of tall grasses grow. We have seen in some of the areas where tall grasses are there. So that areas are known as the grasslands. Let us see where these grasslands are there. Here, not too many trees and shrubs grow here. A large variety of animals such as giraffe, zebra, lions, elephants, kangaroos and gazelles are found in the grasslands. Here you can see gazelle picture is given over here, and now we will see the deserts. What are deserts and where the deserts are situated? Let us see that. Deserts. Okay. So deserts. Deserts are areas that receive very little or no rainfall throughout the year. Throughout the year. Okay, so we know that deserts are very hot. Okay, then the deserts are the area that receive very little or no rainfall throughout the year. Sometimes it rains and sometimes it will not rain also. So that are deserts, and let us see which animals are there. We know that one animal is there that is known as sheep of desert, that is camel is there in the deserts only here. Hence, they are very dry and often sandy region on the earth. Sahara, Kalahari, and Thar are some hot deserts. Gobi Desert in China is very cold desert. In hot deserts, daytime temperature in summer can reach 50 degrees Celsius. Plants and animals such as cactus, camels, rattlesnakes, Gila monster, and kangaroo rats are commonly found in deserts. Okay, so these kinds of animals are found in the deserts. Then after, let us first of all revise this all things, and we will move further. That is boreal forest. That is the boreal forest have very low temperature and heavy snowfall. Means the forests which have very low temperature and have a very heavy snowfall, they are known as the boreal forest. Then after that is grasslands. So what is grasslands? That is, grasslands are the area where a large variety of tall grasses grow. Means where you see the large grasses on the ground, open ground like structure, they are known as the grasslands. And then after third we have seen was deserts. Deserts are area that receive very little or no rainfall throughout the year. Okay students, these three forests we have seen, and then after moving forward, that is mountains and polar regions. Mountains and polar regions, let us see that. Mountains and polar regions. Mountains and polar regions. Polar regions. Okay. So first of all, we know that what are mountains. Okay, they mountains formed from the rocks, big rocks, and the polar region means on the, if I say here it is an earth, this is an earth, so this region and this region is known as the polar region. This is north polar region and this is south polar region. Okay students, so that are known as the polar region. And moving forward, that is mountains and polar regions are extremely cold regions on the earth. See here, they have said that the mountains and polar regions are extremely cold regions on the earth. Okay, they are the extremely cold regions on the earth. And then after, in polar regions, animals such as polar bears, seal, and walruses, and plants such as Arctic poppy and low niching bushes are found. And in high mountain regions, animals such as mountains goat, snow leopard, yak, and plants such as spruce and pine are found. We have So far learnt about some of the terrestrial habits. Let us now learn about some of the aquatic habits. Here we have up to here means mountain polar region. Up to this topic, all are the terrestrial habits means which are on the land. Now we will study about the aquatic means the water, the animals which live in the water. Okay, but let me see the time. If it is time, then we will not go further, and that we will see in the next video. I think here we have some time, but so let us just revise all the things of the terrestrial habitats. Okay, then after from next video we will start aquatic habitats. Okay, so first of all, what is habitat? That we have seen the animals or the plant which live in some of the specific area have their, it is known as their habitats. And then after here they have given a map, that is habitats on the earth can be grouped as terrestrial and aquatic. An organism meets its requirement of food, shelter and water from its habitat. See here in the map it is shown that. And then after we have started the terrestrial habitats. In that we have seen first of all forests. In that forests are divided into how many parts? Tropical forest, temperate forest and the boreal forest. In that the forests are divided into three parts. And a forest is a usually large area covered with a variety of trees and plants based on the temperature and the amount of rainfall. There are three major types of forest found on the earth: tropical forest, temperate forest and boreal forest. Okay, so first of all we have seen was tropical forest. What is tropical forest? It is situated between the tropics of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn, and they are known as tropical forest. In that we have seen the tropical rainforest, the tropical area which receives the large amount of rainfall, they are known as tropical rainforest. Moving further, tropical rainforests receive very heavy rainfall. They have a hot and humid climate round the year. A rich variety of plants and animals are found in these forests. Orchids, vines, mosses and ferns are common plants found in the tropical rainforest. A large variety of animals such as bats, gorilla monkeys, jaguars, suits, macaws, toucans and a variety of insects are found in these rainfalls. Most trees found here are evergreen. Okay, then we have seen the temperate forest. In that they are found near the North America, Northern Eastern Asia and Western and Central Europe have temperate forests. Temperate forests again are of many kinds. We will discuss temperate deciduous forest here. The rainfall is even through the year. These forests have well-defined summer and winter season. Most trees found here are deciduous in nature. Deciduous trees shelter all their leaves once a year in response to change the season. Leaves of most trees are seen to change their color in the autumn season. Maples and oaks are commonly found trees over here. Foxes, black eagles and black bears are found here as animals, and plants are also some found. And then after we have seen the boreal forest. In that boreals are the forest where there is very low temperature and very heavy snowfall. So boreal forests have very low temperature and very heavy snowfall. Northern parts of America and Russia have boreal forests. Most trees found here are evergreen. Pine, fir and spruce are common trees found here. Wolves, hare, mosses and chipmunks are found here. Then after we have here completed the forest, and then after we have reached to the grasslands. So what are grasslands? We have seen the grass which in height are bigger, and there is lots of that kind of grasses in a big ground like structure, then that is known as grasslands. That is, grasslands are areas where a variety of the tall grasses grow. Not too many trees and shrubs grow here. A large variety of animals such as giraffes, zebras, lions, elephants, kangaroos, gazelles are found in the grasslands. Then coming here the desert. So what are desert? Here the amount of rainfall is very little, or in sometimes there is no rainfall over here. They are known as the, here it is written, deserts are areas that receive very little or no rainfall throughout the year. Okay, and then that is, hence they are very dry and often sandy regions on the earth. Sahara, Kalahari and Thar are some hot deserts. Gobi Desert in China is cold desert. In hot deserts, daytime temperature is summer can reach to 50 degrees Celsius. Plants and animals such as cactus, camels, rattlesnakes, Gila monster and kangaroos rats are commonly found in deserts. Then after we have reached to the mountain and polar regions. So mountain and polar regions are extremely cold regions on the earth. Means they have extreme temperature in the minus also. Extremely cold temperature means they are also of minus. Okay, so mountains and polar regions are extremely cold regions on the earth. In polar regions, animals such as polar bears, seals and walruses, and plants such as Arctic poppy and low-lying bushes are found. In high mountains regions, animals such as mountain goats and snow leopards, yaks and plants such as spruce and pine are found. Okay, so up to here we will keep, and in your homework what you will write is, first of all, boreal forest. What are boreal forests? Then after you will write as grasslands. Then after that is deserts, and at last you will write is mountains and polar regions. Mountains and polar region. Okay, you have to write what? Which things I have written on the board, that you have to learn and write. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Bye students.